All right. All right. What's going on, eh? What's going on? What's going on, guys? This is Nando. Back with one more video. Check what I got. Check what I got. I don't know if y'all can see that, but look at that. Thank you for stopping by. Hit that freaking smash that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, please. If I can get a ton of subscribers, let's say 20, 25 subscribers off of this video, I'm definitely going to be bringing back some extra content on this camera going forward. And there goes my cat. So I'm super excited, man. This is the Sony A7 III, the Sony Alpha 3. It's finally here. I've had to wait patiently for all the big camera YouTubers to get invited out by Sony to test it, to play with it, to use it. Now I've had a chance to buy it. And let me start off this unboxing, because this is what it's going to be. It's an unboxing video. I don't really know much about cameras. I don't really know much about photography. I want to learn, and I hopefully can take you guys on that trip with me. I know a little bit more about videography. Obviously, I do videos. But this camera has so much hype surrounding it, and everything I read about it, everything that I compare it to, everybody says that this is one of the cameras to get, if not the camera to get. So I went ahead and got this. Again, Sony A7 III. Hit the subscribe button. Like this video throughout if you're enjoying it. I'm going to go ahead and start unboxing this bad boy because I am so excited by this camera. Give me 1 second. Here's what we got inside, all right? I went ahead and got the kit A7 III. You can either just get the body itself. I think that's $1,999.99, or Sony selling it with a lens, a kit lens. And this lens, don't know exactly which lens this is, but I'll tell you guys that here in just a second. Is what I got. So when you open up the box, you're going to get literature, books. I'm probably actually going to read some of these books or parts of these books, help me guides, web manuals, because again, the point of this camera is it's supposed to enhance your talents. I'm learning, so I'm hyped because I want this camera to keep me excited and motivated to continue to better what I do, both in videography and then eventually photography. I'm going to be using this camera the majority of the time for videos, but I do plan on shooting pictures. So this is going to be a different kind of review. This is an unboxing video, but additional videos coming up. It's going to be focused on video because that's what I do most of. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this first. I think this is the body. Move that box out the way. Show you guys what the body looks like. Again, and this is a mirrorless camera. Man, that thing is sturdy, man. This thing feels so good in hand. It's so nice. It is so nice. So this is a mirrorless camera. Eventually I'm going to compare it to what I'm shooting with right now, which is the Panasonic Lumix G85. And I've also got a small point and shoot over here that I'm giving you guys another angle with. This, my goal is to use this in conjunction with the Lumix G85 so I can give you two angles, both 4K, and kind of go from there. Now the Lumix G85 shoots 4K 30 frames per second. So does this bad boy, but this bad boy, the A7 III, just blows the G85 out of the water in basically everything. The biggest thing, however, that's kind of bugging me is that this doesn't have a little flippy out screen. It only has a flippy tilt screen, if you want to call it that. So I can do one of these. So I can hit you with a little side look angle, but not a little. Because what I'm shooting with right now, I can see myself. And when I use this guy, I won't be able to see myself. So Sony's killing it. Killing the fact that we really want a flippy screen, but we don't got it. So let me put this bad boy off to the side. Let me pull out what else we have in this box. We've got a A7 branded camera strap, so that's cool. And then we also have in here the lens, and I'm not even gonna put it on right now. So there's the kit lens. This is a 28 to 7 millimeter, 3.5 to 5.6 on the aperture kit lens. So I'm excited because I really don't want to have to go out and spend additional money at this point. Hopefully I'll save some money and they get something a little better down the line. But here's your kit lens that's gonna come with this camera. We'll put that aside as well. And now we should also have, all right, so there's a little lens. Oh my God, I almost dropped everything. Here's a little lens hood action so that you can kind of protect your lens when you're out and about. So that's cool. And we're missing the chargers. So here's a little wall charger. Here's the battery. And finally, that's it. Last but not least, a micro USB cable. So basically, it seems like you're going to be charging this camera plugged into the wall. So I don't think you have to take the battery outside of the camera to charge the camera. I'm sure there's adapters that allow you to do that if you don't like doing that kind of thing. But this is that highly rated Sony battery that's supposed to get you like over 1,000, maybe 2,000 shots. I think Sony says like 700 or something, but a lot of early reviewers are saying that you're getting plenty above that. And then just a basic little wall charger with a USB side to it, so you can plug in your camera. And that's it, guys. I am so excited. I am so excited. I hope to use this camera so much all the time for everything. Right off the bat, like I said, this is not a review. This is just an unboxing and early impressions. I just wish this had a flip screen. That's all I wish, and I'm pretty sure that almost everybody watching this video would say the same. But we don't have it, so we gotta do what we do and make do without it. So there's that. Like I said at the beginning of the video, guys, please smash that subscribe button. Let me get 2,000-3,000 subscribers. I'm so close. Like the video, hopefully, and stay tuned for more videos. Definitely going to start shooting some videos with this ASAP. Then hopefully doing some reviews on it. And then eventually also photography reviews and things like that. I appreciate you guys stopping by. The most important thing before you leave is to always stay geeky. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, salute, and adios.